Are you one of the millions of Californians that received this in the mail in the last week or so? What is this? Stick around and find out more. Hey everyone, Kaveh Sartibi with Mason McDuffie Mortgage, and if you are a proud homeowner here in the state of California, this is a tax reminder from your county tax assessor. County taxes have been sent out. The bills have been sent out here over the last week or so, so keep an eye out if you have not received it. Make sure when you do receive it, open it up, check the bill, make sure that it is accurate. If you have an impound account or your property taxes with your mortgage every single month, know that your mortgage lender is going to pay that bill on your behalf. You've already been paying into that every single month. Now, double check that on your tax bill, just underneath your property address and your assessed value. Typically, there is a highlighted area that states that a mortgage lender has requested the bill as well. That is an indication that you do have an impound account. Now, if you've refinanced recently and maybe removed that, make sure that you do pay your bill. Another great way to find out if you do have that impound account, pull your mortgage statement, take a look. If you show that escrow account is being collected for your taxes and insurance, your tax bill will be paid by your lender. Double check though, make sure that you do have enough funds in that account to pay those bills, because sometimes they may under collect and you may not have enough in there. If you have recently purchased a home, maybe in the last 6 to 9 months, the tax bill that you receive may be from the previous homeowner's assessed value. So they might be collecting less depending on when you purchased your home versus when they had purchased their home. So double check that. You probably will be receiving a supplemental tax bill down the road. But if you've purchased a home here in the last year, you may have a tax bill that is for the previous homeowner, so the tax bill may be a little bit lower. So again, double check that. Now, if you don't have an impound account, know that you have to pay your tax bill when it is due. And when are they due? Best way to remember is no darn fooling around. What does that stand for? Taxes are due in November, they're delinquent in December, they're due again in February, they're delinquent in April. So a good way to remember is no darn fooling around. So make sure you check your tax bill. Make sure you have an impound account. If you do, that they're going to pay for it. If you don't, make sure you pay for it yourself. Another thing to also check, what are you paying for in your taxes? Just underneath your property assessment value, they'll have a breakdown of what you are paying for. So if I take a look at our tax bill that we just received, we're paying for mosquito and vector, emergency medical, stormwater, street lights around the town, East Bay trails, BART, school bonds, so on and so forth. So you can get a breakdown of what your tax bill is going towards. If you have any questions regarding your tax bill, or if you have not received yet, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 925-708-7178. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.